In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export part of a timeline in DaVinci Resolve. If you only want to render a specific section of your edit and not the entire timeline. DaVinci Resolve gives you a simple way to do that right from the timeline itself. This is especially useful if you're exporting a short preview, a revision for a client, or just one segment of a larger project. To begin, go to your timeline in the Edit page and look closely just beneath the timeline ruler or time display area. You'll see a grey bar that represents the range that will be used for rendering. This is the key tool for choosing exactly which part of your timeline you want to export. Click on that grey bar, then drag its edges to adjust the start and end points of the section you want to render. You can move the left edge to choose where the export should begin and drag the right edge to set where it should stop. Take your time here and make sure the selected range matches the exact portion of the timeline you want. If needed, zoom in on the timeline first so you can set the range more accurately, especially if you're working with short clips or precise cuts. As you adjust the grey range bar, you're defining the in and out points for the export. This tells DaVinci Resolve to focus only on that selected section instead of the full timeline. It's a quick and efficient way to avoid exporting extra footage you don't need. Once you've finished adjusting the range, the next step is to go to the Render page. This is where you prepare your export settings and send your project out for rendering. After arriving on the Render page, review your settings if needed, then simply choose the option to add the export to the render queue. By doing this, DaVinci Resolve will queue up only the selected part of the timeline for export, based on the range you set with that grey bar. From there, you can render it whenever you're ready. That's all it takes to export just part of a timeline in DaVinci Resolve. It's a small feature, but it can save a lot of time and make your workflow much more flexible, especially when you don't need to render the entire project.